Hi all for Andy here. Right, I went to Lidl today and look what I picked up. Half price, 50% off. These should have been £6.79 and I picked these up for £3.40. Aberdeen Angus family pack burgers, quarter pounders. Wow, 50% off, and I thought I can't go for it. So me and Kay are gonna have a couple each, and the other two I'll freeze them. I've got some nice rolls as well. Probably toast them or something. Slap some burger cheese on it, bit of red onion, as you do, and yeah, might even do some fries. I'll see. But yeah, we thought, wow, what a bargain! 50% off, got to be done. They had loads of packs there, so obviously because the weather's still warm, but it's been a bit overcast here on the East Coast and stuff like that, and I don't know, perhaps people didn't bother with barbecues, plus that's midweek, so, you know, yeah, it loads there. If that had been slightly cheaper than that, I know it's a good price, but if that had been like 75% off, then I'd have bought 3 packs and held them in the freezer. But, yeah, Aberdeen quarter pound. Let's have a quick closer look at them. Here we go then, family pack, 6 Aberdeen Angus quarter pound burgers. £6.79 they should have been, and I picked them up for £3.39, with 50% off. QR code there. Yeah, it's got the day's date on 21st of July, which is Tuesday. These are freezable as well. They're gluten free, as you see there. 681 grams of burgers. Will I pay £6.79? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what they're like. But I'm certainly happy at half price. 6 Aberdeen Angus said British beef quarter pounders with gluten-free breadcrumb and season. Ingredients: 95% British beef. In that, you can see the rest of the ingredients. We've got sodium metabisulfite as a allergen. Nutritional information is there. That's additional information. Grills in 17 to 20 minutes. See the reverse for full cooking. The storage instructions. Yeah, little GB symbol on there. Great Britain. Yeah. Wow, bargain. Nice to get a bargain now and again. Doesn't bloody weight in them anyway. Right, let's get these things open. Right, I've got to do these in the air fryer oven, and I'm going to put them on the grill setting. They look like nice burgers anyway. They're quarter pounders, nice and thick. You can see them there. So I'm going to do 4, and then the other 2, I'll freeze them. Be alright when we have a barbecue one day. We can get them out. Yeah, Aberdeen Angus. Have I done Aberdeen Angus before from Lidl? I don't know. Be in my playlist if I have. There we go. I ain't putting nothing on them. Just gonna cook them like that, as you see. And yeah, get them in some rolls with some, I don't know, bit of tomato, red onion, plate of cheese. Gotta have old plastic burger cheese, I think. Why not? I know people do criticise me and they say, oh, old burger cheese, but you know, each their own. And that, yeah, you have cheddar cheese on it, whatever cheese you like, really. And that. But yeah, anyway, let's get these things cooked up. I'm gonna freeze them other 2, wash my hands and everything, and I'll catch you in a bit. Right, burgers just about done, and they're going to get these dished up. Right, well, that's the burger built up, so I'm just going to put the lid on. We've toasted the bun, so that can go on top there. Just push that down. Look at that lovely juice running out of there. We ain't bothered with fries tonight. That's mine. That's Kay's. Right, we will get stuck into this. Right, here we go then. Let's try these Aberdeen Angus burgers, the half price ones. get stuck in, Kay. They're very, very thick. Quite juicy. Cool and nice, isn't it? They're quite well seasoned, really.
Yeah, they are. They're not too bad, are they?
They're not bland at all, and the juice coming out of them when you bite into that is absolutely fabulous. $6.79 they should be. They're quarter pounders. So we've got half a pound of burger each stuck in there, as you see. Well, I paid $6.79. Yeah, I probably would actually, because the beef content is great. Aren't they nice?
They are. They're delicious.
That's so juicy. Wow. Six quarter pounders for $6.79. I paid half price, £3 something for them. Which I'm glad I have, because that saved me some money. Would I pay $6.79? Yes, like I just said, I would, I think, wouldn't you? Because the juice and the meat content and the flavour is absolutely fantastic.
Yeah.
And I know people say, well, there's other burgers out there that's cheaper. Yeah, we've tried them. We've tried the Ollie's, the Wagyus, they're fantastic, isn't they?
Yeah.
And smash burgers and everything.
Yeah, we have. We tried the lot.
Obviously, we're just doing this for comparison there, for YouTube and everything. Let you good people know. But if you want a good thick meat content, these are really good.
Yeah.
And if you can get them on a 50% deal like I did, then that's worth doing. These would go well on a barbie, wouldn't they?
They would. Definitely.
You know, we should have bought some more now.
You don't know.
I don't know if I've done these before on my channel, these Aberdeen Angus. I might have done, I don't know. If I did, that's probably a couple of years ago. But we just got red onion, some nice sweet vine tomato on there. We didn't bother with fries we were going to have, and then we decided not to. We got the burger cheese. You put on what cheese you like at the end of the day. We're using burger cheese. I'd think personally, I mean, it's nice to have a better quality cheese, and not sometimes on a burger, depending on what you're having. But our burger cheese, our plastic cheese, that do make it. Do you think sometimes, you know? Well, that's my opinion anyway. What's yours?
Can be a bit rich.
Can be sometimes.
Yeah.
I know people say, oh, that's not proper cheese, it probably isn't, but
No, it isn't.
who gives a damn? That tastes all right, that's the main thing. Right, so yeah, Lidl, get them. If you got a barbecue, you know, and you got $6.79 to spend, you can't get them on a discount. I highly recommend you get some, because they are nice, and as I say, they're a quarter pounder each. You get 6 of them. Yeah, happy days.
Yeah.
Right, let us know in the comments what you think. We thought we'd just do a burger. We hadn't had one, I don't know, for a few months, maybe 2 or 3 months. And yeah, we're just saying, I thought, yeah, let's have a burger for a change. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing it. It will help the channel, and we'll hopefully catch you lovely people in the next one. What do you give it out of 10? That's the point. Yeah, I know I'm gonna give it.
Give it a 9.
Exactly what I was thinking. 9 out of 10. We're on the same page, Kay. Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Cheers.
Bye.
Bye.